Good morning, everybody. We are getting started on the beds, and I'm going to use some landscape timbers to make the back drop, and then I'm going to use these 4x4s for the front. So let's get started. I'm going to measure, let me show you what I'm going to measure first. So I'm going to measure the distance right here from post to post, and I'm going to put 2 landscape timbers so I can actually fill the box and the dirt won't be next to the fence. So I'm going to take that measurement and let's get started. Okay guys, so you can see what I'm doing is I'm putting these pressure treated ground contact landscape timbers to make the back side of the bed, because I don't want the dirt going through the fence, so I need to make a barrier. So I got these 2 done, and it's looking pretty good. So that's the back side of the bed, and I'm going to work on this guy next. So hang on guys, getting there. Okay guys, so I got the backdrop of this other panel, and they're not going to be level because the ground's starting to be level. I level it out as much as I could for each backdrop, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's not exactly the same as the others, but it's okay. So then now we're going to start building the front of the bed. So what I'm doing is I'm digging out this channel so that the timbers can lay flat. See how much I had to dig to get it to be level? So that's what we're going on this side here. And this is the most time consuming, is leveling your stuff so that you can get your timbers flat to create the base. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And let me tell you, this hill, it goes upwards, so trying to get this thing level might be a little minute here. But that's the next step we're doing, is digging out our channel to lay our next 4x4 like that one. See how far that one had to go in? Yeah, had to go dang near all the way in because this hill is so high. So that's what I'm doing, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I got that one dug and it is sitting on top. I am ready for the end piece there and to do this little section right here. So that's what we're working on next. Yeah, this hill is like really high. I didn't realize how high the hill is. I'm almost bearing a whole 4x4 because it's so this hill is way higher than than I thought it was, guys. So but we're getting her done. Okay, so here's what it looks like with all the bedding done, and I think I like this corner the best because I did a half lap on that. It's just really hard to do when, gosh, there's so much unlevelness, but I think it's going to look pretty good once I start doing the dirt. And I wanted to show you guys a picture before I start digging. So you can see that the hill is almost even with the front of that bed. So I got a lot of digging to do, but let's get started guys, and definitely show you. Hopefully I'll get it done. I don't know if I will or not, so but we'll get crack-a-lacking, guys. Okay guys, so I filled the beds. It's kind of dark, but it's a lot lighter than that, so I hope you guys can see this. All the beds are full of dirt, and I'm gonna keep on going. Alright guys. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the final review. It looks crazy. Like, I cannot believe how much dirt there was. And you can see how far I had to go down. Nope, you stay in your yard. Go. Sorry guys, he's a pain in my butt. Oh gosh. He's being a little crazy. So I had to go down. It was already, I had to go down 2 feet practically from where I was at. And the pile was still 2 feet above that. So that is a lot of dirt being moved. And I spread it out as good as I could get it. Now after it rains, then I'll have to come back and probably check it out again. But I put a little extra dirt in the beds because if it rains, then it'll settle down a little bit because of all the aeration. And I need to cut off the 2 corners right there. But I am done. I'm done with this project. I did not realize it was going to be so much work moving this pile, guys. That was a lot of dirt. And you can kind of see it's a little still high right there. Yeah, right here. But once it rains, then I can come back and rake a little bit more of it. And we'll spread just a little bit more out of it. But yeah, I am done with this project. And I put up her sun. Doesn't it look nice? Yeah, it looks really cute there. So I'm happy with that, and she's happy. So yeah, so then she can start planting and get we'll get some perennials in there. Now I did not get to do the 2-tiered because this was a huge project. This was a huge undertaking with just the dirt pile itself, and I ran out of 4x4s. So she says she likes the one bed, and it's too high. So I mean, we could always add a little bit over there by the shed later if she wants to. So, but yeah, that looks, what do you guys think? Huge difference, isn't it? Yeah. Oh no. Emery shenanigans. He's messing up my dirt. Come on. Oh boy. Come on, Nene. Alright guys, so, oh, they're playing some more. Stop. Jesus. Emery shenanigans wherever you go. But it looks really good, guys. I'm really happy with that. And we'll call her a day, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave me a comment, subscribe, like, and we'll catch you on the next one.